Hello, and welcome to May's Feature of the Month. I'm Kevin Mosley, Director of Customer Care here at BlueCat. Today's feature is going to be multi-primary DNS and how it can benefit your environment. The demonstration is going to be given by one of our talented solution architects, Dave Donohue, and he's going to step through how to implement this feature. So without delay, let's get to Dave's demo.
Today we're going to cover multi-primary DNS. Multi-primary DNS provides value to organizations by enhancing their overall reliability, availability, and resiliency of their DNS infrastructure. So we're going to cover this here today. I've already logged into my address manager here, as you can see, and I've already added my servers here that we'll be using for this example today. So since we've already added my servers into BlueCat, what we'll do to start with here is click on server groups here. We're going to go and add a new server group. Here you'll notice our new multi-primary checkbox here. So what we'll do is just go and call it MP for multi-primary. Go ahead and hit add. Awesome. Then we're going to click into it. And then what we need to do is add our servers to this server group. So we're going to go ahead and click add servers here. All right, we're going to select our 3 servers that we added earlier. All right, awesome. Now we can see that all 3 of those are added here. All right, and we're going to go ahead and click on my DNS here at the top. So we've got that server group ready to go. I've already created my view and my domain on here. All right, so we're going to go in here to our domain. This is example.com. We're going to click on deployment roles here in the top corner. All right, we're going to go and add a DNS role. Our role is going to be primary, and we're going to select our server group. Sorry about that. We're going to go ahead and select the server group here. And select our server group. Great. Awesome. And go ahead and hit add. So now we can see here that it's been added. We can see the name of the server group that we just created here a moment ago. And we can see that it has a primary role for DNS. All right. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go back over to our server group. Right. And then we're going to actually deploy to the server group. Go ahead and hit yes. It's already aware of kind of the changes. All right, it's going to push this out and we should have a success. Awesome. So now we can see that all 3 of our servers are up and running in the server group, and they're all providing a primary role for our DNS zone example.com.
Thank you for watching that feature of the month. I hope you enjoyed learning how multi-primary DNS can be a benefit to your environment. Join us next month when we're going to talk about Maestro MDDNS and how that can be used in your existing Maestro environment to get the full benefits of BlueCat hardware. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next month.